If we come across a name and an opening parenthesis, it means a function call. Let's handle the function call in its parse function. The list named params will hold the expressions that make up the parameters, our function name. The opening parenthesis is required. Let's start parsing the parameter. Each parameter in the function call is an expression and must be separated by one or more commas. Let's parse the next parameter expression, if there is a comma. If we have reached the closing parenthesis, we are out of the loop. Otherwise, there is a typo. A closing parenthesis is required. The structure we will send to the interpreter we created in our previous videos. We check if the function call is part of an expression. Here, we check whether the expression continues after the function call. What the hell? Our editor is running the previous Python file. An error occurred because we did not define the comma symbol. Here, the comma ends the expression. Let's add a comma symbol to the tokenizer function. Let's try. It works as expected. Have a nice day.